Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah.
Today we're looking at, well, we're going to focus on Excel.
Okay.
And I
Yeah.
think this is going to be a really practical one for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So we found this great little piece on pasted text all about a really useful shortcut that I think once you learn it, you're going to be using it all the time.
Definitely.
It's one of those things that honestly kind of changed my life
Wow.
when I learned it.
Yeah.
And it's all about changing font size in Excel.
Oh, yeah.
Super simple,
Yeah.
but way more impactful than you might think.
For sure. And I think what's interesting about this is it's such a small tweak,
Yeah.
but it has this like ripple effect on your whole spreadsheet experience. You know,
That's
it's not
nice.
just like saving a few seconds here and there.
Right.
It's about readability,
Uh-huh.
accessibility, and even like
Yeah.
basic design principles.
Totally. I mean, you don't realize how much you're like squinting at those tiny headers
Right.
until you learn this shortcut.
Exactly.
So, okay, spill the beans.
Mhm.
What is this magic formula?
All right. So the key combo is Alt plus H plus F plus G.
Okay.
And you can think of it like a treasure map,
Okay.
leading you to bigger, bolder text.
All right, I like it.
So you start with Alt,
Yeah.
unlocking the shortcut pathways.
Uh-huh.
Then H takes you home,
Okay.
like your starting point in Excel's world.
Mm-hmm.
From there, you zero in on F for font,
Okay.
and finally hit G to grow that font size.
Grow that font size.
Yeah.
I like it. It's like a little adventure across your keyboard.
Right.
But I mean, I'm so used to just like clicking through the menus.
Yeah.
Is it really worth it to learn this new way?
You know, that's how I felt at first, too.
Okay.
But once you get the hang of it, the speed difference is incredible. Like,
Mhm.
imagine you're working on this massive spreadsheet
Right.
with tons of data.
Yeah.
Instead of like painstakingly
Yeah.
clicking through menus to adjust font sizes, you just like zip through it with the shortcut.
Okay, I see what you mean. And like pasted text mentions this really common scenario, right? Dealing with those teeny tiny text in like a header row,
Yeah,
the kind that makes you wonder if you need a magnifying glass.
exactly. Headers are like the backbone of your spreadsheet.
Yeah.
They need to be clear,
Mm-hmm.
easy to read,
Yeah.
and visually distinct from the rest of the data.
For sure.
This shortcut makes that a breeze.
Yeah.
Plus, think about accessibility.
Oh, right.
Larger font sizes can make a world of difference for people with visual impairments.
That's a great point. It's not just about personal efficiency.
Mm.
It's about making information accessible to everyone.
Absolutely.
So to bump up that font size, Alt plus H plus F plus G,
Yes.
what about shrinking it back down?
Oh, there's a shortcut for that too.
Is there a magical shrinking spell?
There is, and it's beautifully consistent.
Okay.
You just swap the G for a K.
Okay.
Alt plus H plus F plus K.
Right.
Increase with G, decrease with K.
Easy peasy. I love it when shortcuts are intuitive like that. Like it
Yeah.
sticks in your brain better.
Right.
Okay, so we've got our font size superpowers unlocked. What's the bigger takeaway here?
Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Okay.
Excel is brimming with these shortcuts that
Yeah.
can just streamline your workflow. This simple font size adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
It's a perfect example of how mastering a few keystrokes can free up so much time and mental energy
Yeah.
for the things that truly matter.
I love that. Working smarter, not harder.
Exactly.
So as you dive back into your spreadsheets, remember, Alt plus H plus F plus G for larger, more accessible text. Alt plus H plus F plus K to shrink it back down. But here's the final thought. If this one shortcut can make such a difference, what other hidden gems are lurking in Excel, just waiting to be discovered, happy, exploring,